Hey there traders, I'm Rory Kruger, Chief Currency Coach at Traders Haven during the Pip Banker sessions, and what I want to do is give you an idea of what we've been doing in today's session. Well, one of the things that we're doing is managing the euro short that we've been in the last few videos that you've been seeing. As you can see, there was our entry at the top there at 133.56. We've been up to about 556 pips in profit on this trade so far. We've got a 448 pips locked in guaranteed profit there with our stop loss, just in case we get a bounce off this bottom level here. We were watching this S1 on the monthly chart here, right? S1 monthly pivot along with the daily S2 pivot. It's going to be a decent support level, so we thought let's move our stop down, protect some profit, and keep ourselves banking pips off this trade. A good looking trade on this one here. Were there any additional entries throughout the course of the day to join this fall that we've just seen recently? Well, of course there were. If you look at the 4-hour chart here, we've got some good bearish pin bar action that you can see there, those patterns over there. We pointed that out to some of the members and they were able to grab the short trade based on a breakout of those pin bars. If you look at the little range sideways, we spoke to the guys earlier in the London session saying, well, it's in a bit of a range here, and so what you should look at for is a breakout retest continuation, and have a look there, perfect breakout retest. So there are plenty of opportunities to have joined the euro dollar short, and we know a number in the trading room actually did do that. And so congratulations to those guys who were trading really well. We've gained a lot of pips out of this pair so far, and we're hoping to get some more out of it, whether it goes up or down. We'll plan our trades, execute them, and we'll see what we can get out of the euro pair. If we swing across to the pound, we were trading on that one as well. If you have a look at the pound here, we know, for instance, from the start that we were in this bearish wedge. We were near the bottom, guys, but we were, more concerned about what the daily chart showed us. Now, if you look at the hourly chart here, what you can see is a triangle, right? And you see the support provided there by that S1. Now, what we were doing was we were saying, all right, fine, it's probably going to bounce there, which it did, but we were looking first for a test of this 50% fib up at the top here, because that correlated beautifully with this pivot point, and we got short there. All right, and now you must say, well, why did you get short there? Well, have a look at the daily chart, guys. Beautiful daily triangle breakout. It retested at the same point at that daily pivot point, and that 50% fib on the daily chart, we've got a 23% fib and a trend line. We took the short, and we rode that one down quite nicely. Took a portion off down here. As it got a little bit lower, we decided to cut that trade out and take the profit off the table, and so we did really well on the pound. A number of guys scalped the pound long off a bounce. A number of guys scalped the euro long as well off a bounce, and so we've had some scalp trades today. We've had some intraday trades, and we've had a couple of position trades that we set up as well. So we did pretty well today. We had some really great profitable trades, just so that you guys know and are aware of it, though, so that nobody says we hide anything from you, which we don't. We did take a long trade on the dollar yen, as you can see, but the yen pairs just went nuts. First of all, it was giving us profit, right? You can see it got us into profit there nicely, and we were hoping for a really good long trade out of this for quite a while. We're hoping for some good long action to the top there, maybe up even to the 96 to 97 level. But as you can see, the yen pairs just went nuts. And so this was the one losing trade that we had today. It wasn't a big loser, 30 pips, so it wasn't too bad at all. Can't complain. Had made a whole bunch of pips on the other trades. So the 30 pips was well covered, and we're still in a pretty deep profit for the day. So guys, those are the trades that we were in today. There were some more as well. I can't cover everything that we did in the live room on everything we chatted about, but if you guys want to join us, you're welcome to pop over to fap-tradershaven.com. Come join us in the live sessions. We'd love to have you.